Here's a conundrum and a solution that took me down a little bit of a rabbit hole, but it was well worth it in the end. I have a Piwigo installation. Now, Piwigo is basically it's a CMS that handles photographs. And I was finding that every time I uploaded photographs, I would get these little sections here where the thumbnails wouldn't show and the pictures wouldn't show unless I force refreshed every single time. So of course, what did I do? I popped along to Google and I said, why the hell do I have to force refresh my frickin' pages every frickin' time I load Piwigo? And the solution wasn't quite what I thought it would be, but it was a solution anyway. Apparently what it is, there's a problem with SSL and the different ports, because you can go through 80 and 443, and some server hosts don't support the one port and some support the other port, and blah 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 blah. So it's actually a port 80 issue. Now, there were a number of solutions that were proposed, but the one that I most liked was the port 80 solution. Told me to go to my Piwigo installation on my server, to open up my public HTML folder, and then to go from that public HTML folder to my include folder, and then from include I needed to look for the functions handling the URL. There. So it's functions underscore url.inc.php. To open it up, and to scroll down to a specific section. Well, gone past this section here. (63) down to 72, line 63 down to 72. So what I've done is I have just commented it out here for you, as you can see, and I'm going to Ctrl C that, and I'm going to paste it here. So I'm pasting lines 64 to 72 to comment out. There we go. Save it. Saved. Let's check if it works. So we're not going to Ctrl Refresh. What we're going to do is we're going to go to a different page that I haven't loaded before. There we go. It loads. See that? Everything's loading. Isn't that wonderful? You don't have to Ctrl Refresh. There you go, gentlemen and ladies. Of course, if you'd like, you can go and visit straton.org.za and you can have a look at some of the photographs that are up there. There are some pretty cool ones. How's this one of the hyena walking around with a giraffe leg? Yay! So excited. Now, how did we get from my damn pages don't load to have a look at a hyena with a giraffe leg? I don't know, but you can maybe enjoy it. Thanks for watching.